Alrighty, today's lesson we're going to change the oil in the lawnmower. You ready? Alright. So there's two ways of doing this. Inside the manual it says we tip it on its edge and dump it into an oil catchment. But underneath this plastic cover is like a drain plug, just like you have in a car. And if we were to remove the blade and move this, we'd be able to drain it. I would do that, except I don't have any way of getting this mower up high enough for us to work on it. So we're going to do it the way the manual states, by tipping it on its side. Get a little height. Yeah, lay both of them under the front wheels. Okay, we're going to repeat that process for the rear. This is the only piece of cardboard I found. Hopefully we won't get anything on the ground. So, oop. Flip it over here. Can you place the oil pan on there? It's got to lay down. Alright. I'd like you to remove this plug here, counterclockwise, and then just put it on the cardboard. Okay, undo this cap here, counterclockwise. Okay, careful. Lay it on here. We don't want to get it on the driveway. Now, see, the oil should not be this dirty. I've kind of neglected the lawnmower. My fault. So let me get ready to tip this over for you. Alright. Hopefully we do not spill this on the driveway. Yeah, I think we are. Okay, we got it. So if you look at the oil coming out, Mace, stand in front over here. It should not be this dark, but you know how our bodies need water to keep our joints lubricated and everything? The engine needs engine oil to keep the metal from rubbing up against each other and wearing down. So this is going to take just a little bit. And put it right where it's dripping out of the bottom there. Good. Oh, no, keep it on there. Good job. Just don't want any getting on the driveway. Alright, wonderful. Okay, slowly pour that in. Try not to spill it, please. See how clear that oil is compared to the oil that came out of it? Okay, that's probably good. Back it off. And then we got to check the level. Okay, so now we're just going to check the level. See if we have to add any more. If I can find the notches for this. There we go. See where it's in between the two? Let's try it one more time. So that's just I think we need to add just a tiny bit more and we'll be done. Well, we ran the engine for a little bit just to get it warmed up. We'll check the engine oil next time I go through a full mow. So one good thing, so we don't have to get out the manual, write down the weight of the oil. So you know about how much to put back in and what type of oil. So the wind blew off this first target that I had placed on here. Had another one. It's definitely my 30 cal. I don't remember how far away I was because I did not write it on here at all, but it's a pretty good grouping for whatever distance I was at. It was either 100 or 200. But alright, thanks for watching.